The world of drones might just be looking at a serious upgrade with DJI's upcoming release of the DJI Air 3 in 2023. This sleek and powerful drone is set to redefine what we think is possible in aerial photography and videography, and drone enthusiasts all around the world are eagerly anticipating its arrival. So, what exactly has got everyone so excited? Well, for starters, the DJI Air 3 is rumored to have some serious upgrades over its predecessor for the DJI Air 2. In this video, we're going to share what exactly we can expect from the upcoming DJI Air 3. So, let's get started. Design-wise, there's actually not much to change. We mean the existing yet 2S has got a compact and foldable design, yet boasts a sturdy structure, so even if DJI sticks to the same design, there's nothing to be disappointed about. However, it would be appreciated if DJI lowered the weight of the upcoming Air 3. Although, the DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro have implemented relatively larger sensors compared to their predecessors. Some argued that a 1-inch sensor may not be sufficient, when cheaper models already incorporate 1x1/1.3 inches sensors. As a result, a logical upgrade would involve the integration of an MFT sensor similar to that found in the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. Additionally, the Sony IMX383 chip used in the Air 2S is now 5 years old, and there are limited options for newer successors, with the Sony IMX989 being primarily designed for smartphones. To address the concern of sensor size, the Micro Four Thirds Sony IMX472 chip has been identified as the most suitable option, and it's possible that this particular sensor has been incorporated in the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, although this information is not yet confirmed. A larger sensor size typically results in improved low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, and reduced noise level. The Sony IMX472 chip with its 20-megapixel MFT sensor and 3.3-micron pixel was introduced in 2021 and is considerably newer than the sensor found in the Air 2S. Moreover, the sensor boasts some impressive capabilities that have caught the attention of many. The Sony IMX472 chip's noteworthy features include a readout mode capable of 120 FPS with 12-bit color depth. This leads to speculation about whether the Air 3 will have the same 120 FPS 5K mode as suggested by this capability. If this is the case, it would represent a significant improvement over the relatively new Mavic 3 Classic, which provides 120 FPS at 4K and 5.1K at 50 FPS, highlighting a notable distinction between the two models. While the DJI Air 2S possesses sensors for detecting objects in front, by, behind, below, and above, it lags crew on the directional sensing capabilities such as lateral sensors on the left and right sides. The introduction of such sensors on drones like the DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic 3 Classic enables more versatile motion automation. If DJI were to incorporate this feature into more drones like the DJI Air 3, it could incentivize for the development of advanced modes that utilize this capability. One potential upgrade that could make the drone more appealing is the addition of the ability to shoot vertically with the camera, similar to the DJI Mini 3. While not everyone may be interested in capturing footage in this orientation, those who are building a presence on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels may find it to be a valuable feature. Enhancing the camera in this way could be a compelling reason for users to consider upgrading. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3 has some exciting potential upgrades that could enhance its capabilities and make it an even more appealing option for drone enthusiasts. Incorporating a Micro Four Thirds sensor with improved low-light performance and dynamic range, and adding lateral sensors for omnidirectional sensing would represent significant advancements. Additionally, the ability to shoot vertically with the camera could appeal to content creators on social media platforms. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.